increase as we go through the day to severe gale.
And in exposed areas, 80 miles per hour.
9 gusting 10 down
Severe
there.
gale and veering to a more westerly direction during the afternoon, with gusts up to 80 miles an hour.
So this is the final of the Red Bull Storm Chase 2014. We're in southwest England, Cornwall. The beach is called Gwythian and it's firing. Got Marcilio Browne, Thomas Traversa, Danny Bruce, Leon Jamaer fighting it out. It's like a 100-year storm.
And already we have like mast and a half high waves. Got like 50 knot gusts.
Wild, really wild out there. It's so windy, it's hard to hold on to the sail. Waves are pretty big. Some big nuggets rolling through.
We're going to move location to the bluff. Move location to the bluff. E10. Write it down, go check him out.
What I can do and sharing like all those missions with all those great riders and good friends. It's amazing. It's like something like once in a lifetime, and winning it, like the first one, the second one, and then the third one, is like, I don't know, it's like something happens there for me, and I'm so happy.